UMLA ke Mawlai ba bright starwell marbanyang hakasngi balang ula pentip syaka ying dorbar ba ke dispensary ke badon ha Mawlai Nonglum kadai ke balarim ha Henry hadu menta kadang Treikam na ying wai kumta ula kentui ke Khuborjylla bakan le no kham kloy khnang bakan la ban Treikam no na jaka lajong habaju ba phalor kani ka menteri ke kwat ke khya kong amprin lingdo ka loong ba ya kani ka kam katanat kadang bishar banya.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to star question 32. Yes, sir, the matter is under consideration.
Vice Chairman, your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge Health and Family Welfare to her reply to the question with regards to the proposed construction of a state dispensary at Mawlai Nonglum. This dispensary, in fact, it is one of the oldest dispensary in the state, but till date it is being run from a rented house. So I would like to thank the minister for her reply that this matter is under consideration, but I do hope that this dispensary will see the light of day, where we'll have a permanent dispensary, and I will request the minister in charge to kindly expedite the process. Thank you.
So is there a question, or do I just say okay?
Suggestion.
A suggestion.
You may reply.
Point noted. Yes, sir. In fact, this NEHU State Dispensary at Mawlai Nonglum is not a new subject. It has been debated before, since 2020, etc., etc. And this one time, after the spot inspection that the Honorable MLA and I conducted, we have taken a lot of decisions. Now the technical proceedings are to start. This land does not belong to the Department of Health. We've already sought the NOC from the concerned Darbar. Then we have now forwarded the same materials. In fact, an estimate was done earlier under the SOR of PWD 2015. We are reviewing that, and subject to availability of funds, sir, we will pursue the matter in all honesty.
Okay.